Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook rotel dip on the stove. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 16-ounce block of Velveeta cheese, and 1 10-ounce can of rotel diced tomatoes with green chilies. Make sure you also have a large, sturdy saucepan or Dutch oven ready for easy cooking. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, place your large saucepan on the stove and set the heat to medium-high. Add the 1 pound of ground beef to the hot pan, breaking it up with a spoon as it cooks. Continue stirring until the beef is fully browned and no pink remains visible. It is important to carefully drain any excess grease from the pan at this stage, as this ensures a less oily, more delicious dip. With your beef browned and drained, reduce the stove heat to low. Now, carefully cut your 16-ounce block of Velveeta cheese into roughly 1-inch cubes. Add these cheese cubes directly into the pan with the beef, along with the entire, undrained 10-ounce can of rotel diced tomatoes and green chilies. Stir everything gently, ensuring all ingredients are well combined before the melting begins. Keep the heat on low and continue stirring the mixture consistently. This steady motion is key to preventing the cheese from sticking to the bottom of the pan and ensuring an even melt. You will notice the Velveeta cheese slowly transforming, becoming wonderfully smooth and creamy. Make sure to stir until there are no lumps remaining and the dip reaches a perfectly uniform texture, ready for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.